Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this very short car tech video. In this video it's a short demonstration of the iCarsoft CR Pro kit diagnosing and resetting an airbag light in this Peugeot vehicle that we're in right now. The tool is suitable for all systems, engines, ABS, airbags, transmissions, service reset and a lot more, but it is available to pick up at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video. So as you can see, we have the tool lit up here. The screen is active, we have it plugged into the diagnostic port of the vehicle, and we're going to go through the process of diagnosing and resetting this airbag light. So we're going to click on and find our specific vehicle. So we need to, from the menu system, we need to select the Peugeot system. Find that, here it is. So we'll click enter, click on the latest software version, which should be at the top, and then we're going to select our 206. Manually select the system, which in this case SRS airbag, click enter, and then we're in here. We're going to click on to read fault code. So we got 0A02, level of driver module trigger 2 short circuit. So behind this airbag here, there are two connections for the airbag, one this side, one this side. We found this connection behind here had come a little bit loose. There's like a clip which keeps it in place and then you pull it out. Well, that had sort of come out for some reason, but we've popped it back in. It was a very simple procedure, but we still obviously got the airbag light and we still got the fault code on screen here. So we're really just going to go through the process of clicking on clear fault memory. Sorry, I should say we did all of this before the video was started. We're just going through the whole process of what's happening and showing you how to reset the light in this video. Sorry if I didn't make that clear. We're going to click on to clear fault memory now, so click on to enter. And when I click enter here, just keep one eye on that airbag light. There we go, the airbag light is gone and we have a raise operation done on screen here. And it's all thanks to the iCarsoft CR Pro kit, which does cover all vehicles, all manufacturers, all systems within those vehicles, engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, you name it. Not only does it do the main systems though, but obviously it also does special functions as well. So if you're unsure, by all means just send us a quick email and we can tell you whether it's suitable for your vehicle or not. The email address will be in the description below this video. But thanks for watching this car tech video. As I say, it is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. We'll put the link to this kit in the description below the video.